Tell me.
Last year.
Baby!
She goes, I was in a wheelchair. I'm like, oh yeah, I forgot.
And who are you?
Sitting at home being
White.
Snow White.
Yeah.
Where's your handsome prince?
That.
You don't have one?
No.
lazy.
Hat.
Where's the dwarves?
Uh-oh, I think there's some coming.
Shows.
Or something.
So white shows.
Yeah, are they on the movie?
Looks like it.
Uh-huh. Ho. Ho. Ha.
Hi ho, hi ho.
Yeah, and ho.
She's a vampire?
What? You have to look at me, honey. Layla, look at me.
Ho.
What?
Ho.
Here you go.
Okay, what do you want to say?
Happy Halloween.
Can you say Happy Halloween?
Come on.
Yes, you may have a piece of candy.
Back and
Okay,
hand out candy.
On this.
okay. And what do you say? Can you say Happy Halloween?
Happy
Last
Bee.
year.
No, look at me.
Why did you
Look
want
at me.
to go? Jeez.
I said,
And say it.
Just being lazy.
Look at me,
actually
Layla.
go with us this year because you didn't. Big doggy.
That's a cool doggy.
Big doggy. Oh, you coming? What do you say?
You're welcome.
Say thank you. Layla, don't. Take two. Go ahead.
Don't let her scam you.
She'll start to take two every time. Thank you.
You see the doggy?
Come on, Layla.
Doggy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
big doggy, huh?
Big doggy.
Hey, you only take one piece of candy, okay? Don't take two. You have to save some for the other kids, okay? Here, you gotta knock on the door. Hold on.
Knock on the door. What do you say?
Okay, hi.
Hi, doggy.
Would you want to pick what you like?
Just pick one, Layla.
There you go. Good job.
Thank
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 you.
you.
Happy
A
Halloween.
sucker, cool. Hold on. Can you ring the doorbell? Push the button right here. No, right there. Push the button. Push it. She's like,
No.
Doc, doc.
she's actually ringing. Oh, wait, just ring the bell again.
What do you say,
It opened
Layla?
up, sorry.
you.
Oh, that's nice, thank
Thank
you.
you. How about it?
Oh,
man.